All right, welcome my students to 1.6, and we're going to talk about equivalent ratios. Now right here you have example number 1, and I'm going to read it out loud for you. It says, if you run 20 miles in 5 hours, John runs 45 miles in 9 hours. Are these equivalent ratios? So based on and according to all the notes that we have taken, we do need to put our units into a ratio form, and this could be miles, and you are comparing this with our fraction mode, and then you're going to have hours. Okay, so I'm going to put equal to. Now we need to find out how many miles for both of them, and then the hours. Okay, so I'm going to extend this. So let's start with the first one. We have 40 miles, and then we have 5 hours. Then down here we have 45 miles, and we have 9 hours. So let's go ahead and put these in here. Okay, so right here, let's go ahead and put 20 miles, and I'm going to put 20 miles, and then I have 5 hours, 5 hours. Okay, and then for our second person, for John, we have 45 miles, and remember I do need to match all my miles need to be up here, all my hours down here, and I have 9. Now, based on what we have learned in class, and we have been working on, you could find out, are these equivalent? How can we do that? And we are going to do proportions. So what we're going to do is, the other way I like to call it the butterfly method. Go ahead and get this right here, okay? And you are going to multiply that, okay? So I am going to get another highlighter so you can see this differently. Oopsie, sorry, right there. Okay. Now, what is 5 times 45? So 5 times 45, this is actually going to give you, I'll put it over here. This is going to give you 225. Okay. Then I'm going to get this information over here. I have 9. I'm going to go ahead and circle it with the other one. Okay. So what is 20 times 9? 20 times 9, that's going to give you 180. Now, are these equivalent? Are they equal? No. So our answer would be no. They are not equal. Okay, but let's say you were given this information right here. Let's say, just an example, if you have 20 over 5, 20 miles over 5 hours, and you have 4 over 1. Are these equivalent? Well, let's go ahead and do our little proportion right here. You're going to multiply that by that, and this other side, okay? And again, if you want to play around with it, do your little butterfly. Okay, so let's see. 5 times 4, 4 times 5. What is that? That equals 20. Okay, 20 times 1. This equals 20. Are they equal? Yes. Okay, so this is equivalent, but not this one. Okay, let's give this other one a try. My battery is running low. I do apologize. Now, example 2. You pay $21 for 3 t-shirts. Mary pays $35 for 5 t-shirts. Are these equivalent? So same thing, okay? We are going to get $21. Okay, so I'm going to put my money right here. And then we're going to compare it with t-shirts. So I'm going to put t-shirts. And I need to compare it again with money and my other t-shirts. So for you, it says $21. Okay, I'm going to put 21. Then I'm going to have t-shirts. That's 3 t-shirts for you. Okay, so it's 3 t-shirts. Then over here, I have Mary. Mary pays 35. For how many t-shirts? 5. Okay, you have this set up. Now let's go ahead and put it into this format. 21 over 3, does that equal to 35 over 5? Let's go ahead and do our butterfly method. Our little proportions here. And then this one. Okay, so let's see, what do we have on this side? 3 times 35. What is 3 times 35? That would be 105. Okay, 3 times 35, that's 105. Then you have 5 times 31. 5 times 31 is also 105. Are they equal to 105, 105? Yes. So that means you have yes for this. Okay? All right. So again, all you need to do is get different information from here. You could also get it through ratios. Okay? This is another example. Let's say they just say, are these equivalent? And if you have 11, okay, ratio 2, and they say 7 ratio 5. You could do the same thing. Sorry about the background, it's fine. So you have this. This is a ratio. You could change it into a fraction. Fraction form, 11 over 2 equals 7 over 5. Do your butterfly method. Here we go. 2 times 7 or 7 times 2. What is that? That's 14. Okay, but then you also have 11 times 5. 11 times 5, that's 55. Are these equivalent? No. Okay, so you could also see it as that way. All right, that is it. Hopefully, I was able to help you with equivalent ratios. Have a good one.